I could chill here for a bit and enjoy myself in a little den. Or I could find another spot to hang out. I think this might be a good a spot as any in these stunning woods. Yeah, I think I'll rest here. Brought my usual bits and bobs with me on this time out in nature. To start with, I've got a Tiki Tonga cold brew coffee. This is from my rugby club, and it's been in the fridge. It's still pretty cold, which is good. Obviously my water. I've got my Trangia kit to cook up a meal. I'll tell you what that's about later. All my food. I've got these little bag here which I put all the little things that I don't want to be digging around for: a lighter, utensils, a knife. I've got a little coffee cup in here if I need it, right there. You know, torch, fire lighter, a few batteries in here for my camera, bits that I might need, and definitely need these here. I've got a little table to cook my food on. I am using gas, so I've got a Trangia connector for the Trangia 27 to cook up my meal, so I'm going to use some gas for that. Again, there's not much in terms of finding a nice log around here, so I always carry, well, not always, but I do carry a little portable chair so I can sit on it, which I will need in this case because it's all pretty wet around here, and my spice kit, which is in there. So let's get cooking. What I'm making today is a green Thai stew or green Thai curry with some couscous. Again, a very simple camp meal, and it's something I enjoy eating because I do absolutely love Thai food. And so I've got courgette, I've got onion, red pepper. What have I got here? I've got a cup of couscous, some oil, rather large bottle, but I need to empty it out, and it's one of the spray bottles, so I thought might as well use it and finish it off. Some green curry paste and some yummy coconut, which I have mixed with sweet corn. So coconut and sweet corn in here. Put it there. And of course I'll use the bag to put all my rubbish in, because everything you bring out here in the woods, in the forests, in nature, wherever you are on a mountaintop, make sure you pack it out with you. Do not leave it out here in nature. This is my custom made knife. I'm not sure you can see it, but it's got my name burnt into it. Shamir Shah. I like it. It's a sharp knife, and it's very portable, and it locks in place. So yeah, I like it. I love it. Chunky is all I want, just nice big pieces, because I want it to be wholesome, yummy. I'm just going to start off by boiling some water for the couscous, and then put it aside while I make the stew or the green curry, because the couscous needs to sit for a bit, and while it's sitting and cooking itself, I will be doing the rest of the stew. Look at that. Look how powerful that is. That's done. That's already done. No more than 30 seconds. As you may know, couscous is quite bland, but once it's mixed with the green Thai curry, or Thai green curry, it'll be nice. But a little bit of Himalayan salt, that one, that should help it flavor up a little bit more. What I've got here is a little Thai green curry paste, as mentioned earlier. It is medium hot. Thai green curry can be quite hot if you make it that way, and it's just a paste that you get to your local supermarket. But I absolutely love this one, simply because it's very pungent. There's lots of ginger and galangal in it, and I love it. I love ginger, I love galangal, and it just makes such a flavoursome curry. And the curry obviously goes with anything: rice, couscous, polenta, quinoa. You can make it with anything and just enjoy it out on the trail. I'm not advertising it by any means, but it is my rugby team sponsored coffee. So I'm a Saracens fan. I think I'll lose a lot of subscribers now, possibly, maybe not. I'm a Saracens fan, and Brad Barrett, the ex-captain of Tiki Tonga, no, he's the CEO of Tiki Tonga, but the ex-captain of Saracens started this company. And cheers to Saracens. Mm. Very nice. Yeah. It's a great mixer for coffee-based spirit drinks, cocktails, if you make any of them. It's a lovely mixer for that because it's just the right consistency, strength, everything that goes with it. Putting in the courgette now, because they don't take long to cook at all. And now in goes the coconut milk and the sweet corn that I've mixed in there. The coconut's starting to boil, and when it starts to do that is when I add a nice big dollop of the green curry paste. In fact, I'm going to add a couple of dollops. The thing is, it may look like it, but I don't actually get to do this very often, whereby I'm taking time out and just relaxing in nature. I'm very busy with work. I'm guiding a lot, but I'm also very busy since the beginning of this year with my personal life and everything that's going on there. So although I've been guiding people, taking them on treks, private groups, the public hikes, and various backpacking adventures for various private groups, it's one of those things where if I do get an opportunity to get out into nature, whether it's a nice day or it's a rainy day or it's ice and stormy or whatever it is, I just try and get out. It's just great for my health, my mental health, my physical health, and my well-being. I find it very soothing, especially when I get to cook in nature and just sit and observe the beautiful scenery and the vistas way in the distance. It just gives me confidence and gives me faith in myself and humanity. It just transcends me into a different world, and when I walk out of here, I just feel so much better for doing what I have done. So although you see a lot of my videos are solo, me hiking or cooking or just relaxing in nature, it's not very often I get to do it, but every time I do get the opportunity, that's exactly what I do. I love it. So it's been boiling for a few minutes now. I've tasted it. It's definitely cooked. The flavor is awesome, and you can tell the color is just perfect. The only thing missing is a bunch of coriander, but I'm sure there's some in the paste itself, but coriander would have been perfect. I think I'm going to dig in now. Oh yeah. This is really good. It's quite hot, not overly spicy because the coconut sweetens it up a bit. But the sweet corn, the courgette, the red peppers, the onion, it's just perfect. With the couscous, it's just absolutely yummy. To be honest, I think I've made enough for 2 people here. I mean, that's quite easily a meal for 2 at a campsite. But it's absolutely yummy. The that curry paste is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You should try it sometime. Guys, look, I am hungry. It's 1 o'clock. As mentioned, I haven't had breakfast. I haven't had anything to eat except for a couple of cups of coffee and a cold brew, which is also coffee. So I'm going to get stuck in, and I hope to see you on my next episode. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you've got to the end of the video and you're not a subscriber, then please go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate that.